Go on.
Okay. So just little bit introduce about yourself so I can start my conversation.
Yeah. So myself Ashish, and I'm from Manpuri, Uttar Pradesh, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm a paramedical staff.
Okay.
That's all about myself. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Do you really like to introduce myself? Because you are seeing my video lots of time. I was telling my introduction. Okay. So myself Sonam, and I'm doing a job as a pharmaceutical company in the account assistant uh, department. And presently I am pursuing my MBA also. So yes, this is the thing, and I'm living in Mumbai, as I
Oh,
told you before. So
it's
yes.
nice to talk to you.
So like, why you are like learning the English? Like any specific thing?
Yeah. See, I love speaking English. I love speaking
Okay.
English, and
Okay.
as you know that it's a global language. And
Okay.
after learning English, after speaking English, so we can talk abroad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So is your future like a dream to like outside India? Any kind of job you want to do?
You want to do? Yeah, I have. I wanna work in USA if it's possible. So I would like to work in USA if it's possible. And till then, I'm just learning, and I also made a YouTube channel. You must
Okay.
okay be seen.
No, actually,
No,
I don't
actually,
have any. I don't have any idea about your like a YouTube channel. But I must visit your YouTube channel after the conversation if you send the link of your YouTube channel.
Okay, I'll send you.
Yes. So like how you like doing your practice nowadays?
Yeah. So nowadays, I have joined Clappingo
Mm-hmm.
this month only. Yeah. So I do practice there, and I also talk some of my friends
Mm-hmm.
in English only for practice, and I read books and watching videos like normal people do.
Okay, okay. So I can say you have like an environment to speak with someone like your practice you can do. And
Yes, I
you are all yes, yes, continue.
yes I have some of the people with whom I can speak and I can talk. But you can't say that I have good environment of speaking English. It's not like that.
Mm-hmm. No, I can
Yeah.
understand like a people are the in UP side, not any kind of environment. We like you can say the native language we are only speaking in our side like a Bhojpuri. I don't know what's your language,
Yeah.
but in my side Bhojpuri language people are speaking more. So actually, I don't know how to speak the Bhojpuri. I only speak the Hindi, English, and Marathi, and I can't speak Bhojpuri my own language. You can say
Oh.
yes,
Yeah. So Bhojpuri is local language of Banaras. Is it?
yes, yes, yes.
Wow. I didn't have idea about this.
Yes. Okay. No, because some of the place like a different language, like a Bhojpuri is the UP side language. I don't know which part you are in UP side, but in my side, UP side, Banaras side, like people are usually speaking only Bhojpuri language, and most of the time people are speaking Bhojpuri, and they can understand Hindi also. Hindi and Bhojpuri only the language they speak. But when I went my visit like a native place, I can't speak Bhojpuri language. So if I'm speaking the Bhojpuri, so they like laughing me like how I like speaking like a Hindi. So I don't like that time.
Yeah. Actually, you are
Yes.
from east part of the Uttar Pradesh. I'm from west part of the Uttar Pradesh. So this is the difference between you
Mhm.
and me.
So
Yeah.
maybe I don't have seriously. I can say it's only my native place, but my native place I don't have like any detailed information about that because I'm all time living in Mumbai. So I have the only idea about the Mumbai. You can say you have ever been visited in Mumbai?
No, I haven't, but I have been Delhi, Kolkata, and Uttarakhand also, apart from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, I can say you visited the north side only.
Yeah,
Okay. So, like, you have visited Uttarakhand, Delhi, and UP is also the own
Kolkata.
like own state. So, which place you find a very like a good thing and a happy thing?
Okay. So actually, I found Delhi a really
Okay.
amazing place because there are lots of facilities available. Like if we talk about study or education, so it's really good.
Okay.
If you live in Delhi, so you can get lots of things easily because
Yes.
it's
Yes.
a metro city, as we know that.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah,
I can. Yeah. Delhi is also the very good city. I have never visited, but I heard a lot of time. It's a very good place, like
yeah,
any kind of thing you can say, like a job and study. Most of the people are going there for the study purpose because they're the study and the university. I can say very best. So yes, it's good for.
yeah.
You are visited that place for any kind of study purpose or just traveling purpose you are visited?
Yeah. So actually, I spent 1.5 years in Delhi. I visited last time. I visited in 2019 for only for working purpose. I worked there in a hospital, and yeah, that's all. And if I talk about Uttarakhand, so I visited there only for traveling, enjoyment. As we
Okay.
know that if you are nature lover, so you
Hmm.
must visit Uttarakhand.
Yes. I can say Uttarakhand is a very cold kind of place and a very natural place. And
Yeah, yeah.
if I'm not wrong, there is a lots of mountain and the hills also.
Mm, yeah.
Yes. So you visited Kashmir and Simla,
No,
Manali, like that kind of place?
no. No.
Okay. Because it's also the very good kind of place. You can say in my bucket list is all that place I want to visit in my future because it's sometime I heard a lot of time. You can say it's a very good kind of place. So hope so in future I will visit that place. Okay. So
Yeah,
you have
as
any plan about to come to Mumbai?
not now, but after 1 or 2 years, I would like to definitely visit whole country.
Okay.
Yeah, as we know that India has lots of different languages, and
Mm-hmm.
we have lots of different kinds tradition and culture. As we know that if we are in north part of the India, we speak Hindi. If we go to south part of the India, so obviously there are very less people who can even understand Hindi. Like
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah, you can say India is a mixture of all the things. You can different kind of religion, different kind of their festival. So we know the each and of everything if we have visited that place.
yes.
Okay.
So
So yeah, you can ask anything you want to ask.
yeah. So have you ever visited? Have you ever been South India?
No, not at all.
Okay. So since when are you in Delhi? Are you in Mumbai?
Since you can say I born and brought up in the Mumbai only. So it's I can say it's very long time.
Since your childhood, or like
Yeah. I was telling I born in Mumbai, so you can understand how many years.
it's amazing.
Yes.
So what is the famous in Mumbai?
In terms of what you're asking, like places or like a job and
Yeah,
any kind of.
yeah. What are the places which we should visit?
Okay. When you come in Mumbai, so I would like to tell you you must visit the Marine Line and the Gateway of India. And these two places I can say most famous in Mumbai. Everyone is come in Mumbai, so they must see that place because it's very famous. And Juhu Chowpatty, you can say, and there is some dargah. It's on the sea, so like it's middle of the sea. So it's also the very good Muslim temple. It's a Muslim temple, but anybody can go and see that thing because it's really very beautiful. So yes,
Yeah.
these are the here
Or mosque,
famous
I can.
places. Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. So yes, it's nice to know that, and I would like to really visit. If I get
Yes,
chance, I will go.
yes. So, like presently, what you are doing? Because in the like a Corona situation is going on, so you're doing a job from work from home or like a office.
Yeah, I work at clinic.
Okay, you work at clinic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Earlier
So
I
in
was
your
in Delhi. Because of COVID-19 situation, pandemic, I left Delhi, and finally I shifted in village.
okay, okay. So
Yeah.
now, what's the situation in your side? It's controlling. It's under control, or still
Situation
its
is under,
cases is increasing.
no. Situation is under control, and lots of people from my area, especially, they got the vaccine, and I have also got the vaccine, like first shot of the Covishield vaccine.
Okay, you take first only. I can say dose or vaccine.
Yeah,
There
yeah,
is a
first
two.
dose. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Okay,
So,
but I was not taking. Still.
oh, you haven't taken. Why so?
Uh, No, actually, I have to plan next month to take because right now it's not available. You can say, so that's why.
Okay. Are you working from home?
No, no, I was working not home. Actually, I'm going my office every day because
You have.
as I told you, I'm working in the pharmaceutical company. So there is a it's come under the essential thing. So which are the thing is come under essentials. So that
Yeah,
kind of offices are open in Mumbai.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah, absolutely.
yes.
So, would you like to tell me about your family?
Mm, my family, you can say I have one younger sister and my mom and dad and me.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yes.
Okay. So, since long have you uh, been learning this language? Since long have you been working on it?
Not since long, you can say only the 4 months is I have started this thing of learning the English. Before I was not, you can say like a talking and speaking with English like a language. I was speaking only the Hindi language, but still I'm speaking Hindi. But this kind of practice I was started in the March 2021. So I can say 4 months my journey is completed for this thing.
Yeah, but I think I really asked the wrong question. Like my sentence formation was wrong. I should say, I should have said that uh, since how long have you been learning?
Yes, no, not an
Yeah,
issue because we are just a conversation is mistake is happened, so it doesn't matter. But try to improve by more conversation you when you are done. Okay, so
yeah,
this thing is not very important. But I can understand your question very well. So yeah, this is the only you can see the 4 month, and I also started my journey with clapping. Go when I started starting the speaking English, so I joined the clapping. Go and after that I was speaking with my you can say subscriber and who is coming from the YouTube. So that's so that I was just conversation every day.
yeah. Whoever want to have conversation you can. Yeah, it's really amazing. Like helping others is really good work. I think.
Yeah,
Uh,
because you can say only we can remove this thing only of the speaking. If we are not
Yes.
speaking, how can I remove like this thing? So we should like, and I can say before the people are saying nobody is there to speak, but I can see present this time lots of people are there to like conversation and all that. So nobody can say like that nobody is there to speak English.
Yeah. Yes. There are lots of people. At least
Yes,
we should take first step.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
And after that you just practice and practice now you can learn, because I was also practicing in this way and I improving myself, I can say. So I was found this thing is very helped me a lot.
Yeah, it's really amazing talking with you.
Me too, me too.
Yeah. So it must be off, like day of your
Mhm.
office. How can I form this sentence?
Sorry.
How can I form this sentence? Like it must be day off. I think it's correct.
Yeah, it's my day off today.
Okay. So you work for 6 days in a week.
Yes, it's Monday to Saturday is my working day. Only I got a Sunday day, you can say. But I was conversely in the night time. You can 9 to 10.
Sorry, can you repeat again whatever you said?
No, no. Actually, I was telling I'm practicing my English in the night time between 9 to 10 p.m.
9 to 10 p.m. Okay, it's good.
Yes.
Okay, we will have conversation again if we get chance. Okay.
Sure, 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 sure.
Yeah, like
Okay, so
I keep free
yes.
lots of time in the day,
Mm-hmm.
but as you are working in the office, so it's really tough to be free for yourself.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, you can try on Sunday only. I can say if you're not free in the night time, because I was thinking a lots of
Okay,
people
I'll
have
send
a
you
network.
my YouTube channel. Okay, so please
Okay, okay.
visit.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so bye
Okay.
for now. Take care.
Yes. Bye
Be
bye.
safe.